Dividing like bases. Explained in 2 minutes. When you divide like bases, the rules are simple. You keep the base the same, and you subtract the exponents. Let's take a look at a few examples. In this first example, we're dividing 7 to the 5th by 7 to the 3rd. So we're going to keep the base of 7 and subtract the exponents. 5 minus 3 is 2. In this next example, we're dividing x to the 10th by x to the 5th. Remember, we don't divide the exponents. We subtract them. We keep the base the same and subtract the exponents. In this example, when we kept the base of 3 and we subtracted 4 minus 4, we got 0. So our answer is 3 to the 0 power, but anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. And that's because if we had 4 3's in the numerator and 4 3's in the denominator, and we canceled out our wholes, right, when you have a numerator and denominator that match, then all of these would cancel out, leaving us with 1 whole. In this example, when we subtracted 3 minus 7, we got a negative power. And since the directions say we have to use positive exponents in our answer, then we had to take the reciprocal by flipping this base over and making the power positive. X to the negative 4th is the same as 1 over x to the positive 4th. In this next example, our base has parentheses. And since the base has parentheses in the beginning, we're going to leave it that way in the end. Now you'll notice when I subtract 4 minus the base exponent, which is negative 3, I get 2 negatives in a row. And that's why my answer is 7. So don't get tricked. The rule is that you subtract, but sometimes you're going to subtract a negative. Let's review the examples we just went over. And now it's time for you to try a few. Pause the video and give it a try. The first one is x to the 2nd, because 7 minus 5 is 2. The second one is 5 to the 4th. The third one is y to the negative 8th, but we can't stop there because we need a positive exponent. So we're going to take the reciprocal and make the 8 positive. And the last one is 6 to the 0 power, and anything to the 0 power is 1. And that concludes the tutorial on dividing like bases. Keep the base the same, subtract the exponents.